Hello and welcome back. Today we're making a recipe with pipicha. Why? Because not enough people know about it. This situation reminds me of the 90s. Back then, my friends were either wearing Shaqs or Jordans. But me, I was wearing Van Axels. Because I was different. How does this relate to the recipe? Because till this day, pipicha continues to be overlooked, even though it is potentially the greatest culinary plant ever. My recommendation, add pipicha to your pantry and be different. Today, we are walking into our local, fresh, family-oriented, amazing, fabulous Northgate Market. And we're looking for the bouillon cubes. Grab a pack of the vegetable bouillon if you're vegetarian. If not, you can go for the chicken bouillon. Oh wow, so many options. So blessed, I guess. Just go with the basic one for now. Whatever that means. Up next, oregano. Mexican oregano. If you're a bad boy, much love it. Also, go check out Arkouda Digest for the latest unbiased news. Now go for the lemon pepper. And the garlic. I don't even know why I'm talking like that. And last but not least, from the Aztec Nation,
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for pipicha.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Whoopsie daisy. That was my bad. Whoa. Okay, use your protein shaker as your measuring cup. Pro Mexican tip: reuse all your plastics. So the Ziploc bag, we should be able to use it 1,000 times, and the protein shakers, we can use them to store our pipicha oil. Also, Mexicans call this nor Suiza. I don't know where the Suiza comes from, but it's better than cumin. Also, most Mexican recipes call for 1 cube of this. Let's not try to reinvent the wheel. Let's reuse it 1,000 times. Also, if you're an alpha male and you're single because women are acting like alpha males and you don't get along with them, then surely you can afford the peeled garlic. Use a rocking motion to slice your garlic. Pro tip alert! Wet your knife before slicing garlic to protect it from getting sticky, and combine that with the fanning motion.